For my final digital search story, I researched the question, why do people need to learn how to search when sites like Google can problem solve for you? According to the article, How Far Can Google's Linguistics Go?, originally assigned by Professor Diaz, Google utilizes linguistic analytics and semantic search to help problem solve. This reading supports my claim that Google can create its own searches based on keywords that are entered in by the user. Relevant types of publications that would help me answer my question are studies related to problem solving, professional journals on people's ability to problem solve based on how much they use the internet, research papers on internet usage in relation to how well one can analyze and interpret problems as a whole, and scholarly articles on cognitive thinking versus Google doing it for you. Some keywords that are used were searches, Google, sites, problem solving, algorithms, effectiveness, internet, learning, students, linguistic analytics, technology, and success. My first search conducted was the change in thought process with developing technology. In this search, I am seeing multiple results regarding how the internet is changing the way we cognitively think. In this article that I found, Nicholas Carr evaluates how technology is physically altering our brains and the way we problem solve. People can no longer think for themselves, as they now, unlike previous generations, have access to technology at their fingertips that can problem solve for them. This is a credible source that was located on the Guardian site and was written in 2010. My second search that I conducted was studies on the impact technology has on children's learning and problem solving. When typing in this search engine, I came across the Princeton study of media and young children's learning. The study focuses on the impact computers have on its users, particularly young children, on their problem solving and cognitive abilities. This search analyzed children as active media users and how that exposure negatively affects cognitive development. It is a very credible source as it was written by professors who are associated with Princeton. For my final search, I researched effect technology has on problem solving. I found a UCLA newsroom article that has a lot of valuable information because it discussed the relationship of technology and the decline in critical thinking and analysis. Author Stuart Wolpert writes about how using technology lowers a student's ability to process and retain information. With the use of technology, assignments and complex issues that were once logically thought out by the student are now problem solved for the learner with the use of one search engine. This article is reliable and was written in 2009 and published by UCLA. Overall, my question did not change throughout my search process. Other types of searches that I would like to discuss are we becoming overly dependent on technology? Is technology changing the way we approach education? Conducting searches like these would further my understanding regarding the advancement of technology and the change in our thought process. Studying publications such as periodicals, educational journals, and magazines, example would be Time magazine, would all expand my knowledge on this topic and ultimately lead to the understanding of importance of research skills.